Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I given you in the last video. In the last video, we just complete our exercise 5.6, which was totally based on the properties and the types of quadrilateral. Today, we are going to study about the polygon. You have already understood what is the polygon in your last chapter, that was basic geometrical ideas. Let us revise first of all what is a polygon. The polygon is basically a closed figure made up of more than two line segment, which is basically known as what sides. ऐसा closed figure जो more than two sides मतलब 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा लाइन सेगमेंट्स से मिलकर बना होगा, जिन लाइन सेगमेंट्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, साइड से बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो अ क्लोज फिगर विच इज टोटली मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट मोर देन टू लाइन सेगमेंट्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज योर व्हाट साइड्स. तो उन फिगर को हम क्या करेंगे, वी कॉल देम व्हाट polygon. So if you see this, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, these four figures which are lying above, they all are made up of line segments. किससे बने बेटा, line segments से बने हुए, and they are what, closed. They are made up of line segments and they are closed. So hence this is also a polygon, this is also a polygon, this is also a polygon, and this is also a polygon. Why? Because they all are a closed figure. See, these all are what, closed figure, and they are totally made up of what, लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलके बने हुए, विच इज नोन एज ऑल्सो व्हाट साइड्स. सो दिस इज लाइन सेगमेंट, दिस इज लाइन सेगमेंट, दिस इज लाइन सेगमेंट. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो नोन एज व्हाट साइड्स. 1, 2, 3, 3 साइड्स का मिलकर बना हुआ. सेम वे दिस इज ऑल्सो 4 साइड, 1, 2, 3, 4 साइड से मिलकर हुआ, दैट इज 4 साइड से 4 लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर. अगेन दिस वाज मेड अप ऑफ 5 लाइन सेगमेंट्स एंड इट इज ऑल्सो क्लोज. 6 लाइन सेगमेंट्स, अगेन इट इज ऑल्सो क्लोज. सो दीज आर व्हाट पॉलीगन, दीज आर व्हाट पॉलीगन. नाउ कम टू दिस वन. दिस इज ऑल्सो क्लोज फिगर. जो फिगर बना हुआ है ये क्या है, आपका क्लोज फिगर है. ये भी आपका क्लोज फिगर, ये भी आपका क्लोज फिगर है. बट क्लोज फिगर होने के साथ किससे बना होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट, लाइन सेगमेंट. लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर होना चाहिए. इफ यू सी दिस इज नॉट मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट, ये लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर बना नहीं है. बट दिस इज क्लोज फिगर बट इट इज नॉट मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट, सो हेंस दिस इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन. ये पॉलीगन नहीं है. नाउ कम टू दिस वन ऑल्सो. यस, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट बट नॉट कंप्लीटली. कंप्लीट लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर नहीं बना हुआ है. इफ यू सी दिस इज 1, 2 एंड थर्ड वन इज नॉट अ लाइन सेगमेंट. तो थर्ड जो आपकी जो इसको क्लोज कर रहा है, दैट इज नॉट टोटली अ लाइन सेगमेंट. दिस इज बेसिकली अ कर्व लाइन. ये क्या है, कर्व लाइन, एंड कर्व लाइन इज नॉट अ लाइन सेगमेंट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ योर व्हाट पॉलीगन. अगेन सेम हेयर, it is also closed figure. One side it is bounded by a line segment, whereas the other side it is bounded by a curved line. So hence this is also not a what polygon. Again, अगर मैं कोई ऐसा फिगर बनाता हूँ, ठीक है, this is made up of, this figure is made up of what, line segment. ये भी line segment है, ये भी line segment है, ये भी line segment है. But this figure is not closed. ये figure close नहीं है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे लाइन डालता तब ये क्लोज होता, और ये क्या कहलाता, पॉलीगन कहलाता. सिंस इट इज नॉट क्लोज दो इट इज मेड अप लाइन सेगमेंट, हेंस दिस इज ऑल्सो योर नॉट पॉलीगन. तो पॉलीगन होने के सबसे पहले इट शुड बी अ क्लोज्ड, देन it should be made up of what, it should be made up of what, line segment से मिलकर बना होता है, जिसको we call it what, side also. So I hope you all understood what is a polygon is. Polygon is basically a closed figure which is made up of more than two line segment से मिलकर, टू लाइन सेगमेंट से ज्यादा लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर बना होगा, उन फिगर को we call it what, polygon. We call them what, polygon. Now we will move to the various types of polygon depending on the number of sides or a line segment it has. Now these are the various types of polygon depending on the number of sides that polygon has. So first polygon is your triangle which has 3 sides, and this is the figure of triangle. Then the number of sides, when the number of sides are 4, that type of polygon is known as your quadrilateral, and the figure is this one, the closed figure made up of 4 sides. Then when we have a polygon of 5 sides, number of sides are 5, then we call it what, pentagon, and the figure, the closed figure looks like similar to this, 5 line segments which is closed, joined together form a closed figure. Now we have a number of sides. When the number of sides is 6, we call the polygon as a hexagon, and again it is a closed figure which is made up of 6 line segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When we have a 8, that is known as your what, octagon. We call it what, octagon, and it is also consists of the 8 line segments forming a closed figure. So these all are the name of a polygon depending on the sides. You can also see this types on your page number 107 table, which is there on the page number 107 on the top side. Okay, what is the use of this polygon in your day to day life. If you have gone through the metal bridge, अगर आप metal bridge की ओर अगर if you have traveled through the metal bridge, you would have seen that जो metal के जो bridge होते हैं बेटा वो totally बने होते हैं, they are totally made up of what in the shape, they are totally made in the shape of what, polygons. Polygon की shape में होते हैं. They are joined, the metal rods are joined in form of triangles. Triangles के form में क्या करते हैं, join करे जाते हैं to provide it support provide करने में. Same way if you have seen that if you have seen the honeycomb, जो honeycomb होती है in which the honeybee lives, it is also in form of hexagon के form में होती है. And also you have seen the building, जिस building में आप रहते हो, the building block of that, जो block से जो building बनी हुई है, that is also polygonal in shape, which is rectangle के form में, that is in quadrilateral कहते हैं जिसमें 4 sided होती है. It is 3D, तो उसमें thickness आ जाती है तो वो 3D figure हो जाता है. ठीक है. Now just we are basically discussing the 2D figures. तो 3D just इसके बाद जो next exercise है, we are discussing 3D figures in next coming exercise. So these are the figures which we use in a day-to-day life. These provide support to the construction material. Basically construction में हमें काम आते हैं. ठीक है. So we can see the various shapes in our day-to-day life. Now we will move to the exercise. That is exercise 5.7. Question number 1 and question number 2 that we will do by yourself as a homework. We would be discussing question number 3, 4 and 5. Before starting this exercise, I would like to make you understand what is a regular polygon. Regular polygon क्या होता है, that we will discuss. Then only we will move to this exercise of 5.7. Now the next topic is our regular hexagon. What is a regular polygon? What is a regular polygon? ऐसा polygon जिसमें all sides are of equal length. सभी साइड क्या होगी, इक्वल लेंथ की होंगी. If one side is 5 cm, then the remaining side of the polygon will also be of 5 cm. And जो angles जो होंगे वो इक्वल मेजर के होंगे. If the one angle of the polygon is 30 and other angle of the polygon is also 30, then we say that the polygon we have, it is a regular polygon. So what is a regular polygon? Regular polygon is a polygon having all sides of equal length and all angles of equal measure. ऐसा polygon जिसमें सभी sides equal length की होंगी और सभी angle equal measure के होंगे, उस type के polygon को we call it what, regular polygon. We call them what, regular polygon. These are the examples, 2 examples of regular polygon. If you see the first, this is the regular polygon of 4 sided, which is your square. If you know that is in the square all sides of equal length, and this square is a what, quadrilateral, because it is made up of 4 sides, and a quadrilateral is what, polygon. So this is a polygon, regular polygon of 4 sides, which is known as your square. Now come to the next polygon, that is a regular hexagon. If you see this in this figure, each side, हर एक साइड एक सिंगल लाइन से क्या किया, मार्क की गई. This means that all sides are of equal length. Here also all sides are marked with single line. This means that all the sides of this figure also are same length. सभी की length क्या है, same है. And angle also, if you see in this figure, तो angles जो होंगे वो क्या होंगे, same होंगे. Sides plus angles अगर किसी भी polygon के equal measure के होंगे, we call that figure, that polygon as your what, regular polygon. I hope you understood what is the regular polygon means now. Now we'll move to the exercise, that is exercise 5.7. Question number 1 and question number 2 that you will do by yourself homework. We will move to the question number 3.